Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Build Your Own Computer Kit is probably one of the most exciting projects for tech enthusiasts. It's a fantastic way to gain hands-on experience with computer hardware and tailor a system to your exact specifications. From selecting the perfect components to assembling them, the process is both educational and empowering, giving you complete control over your machine's capabilities and performance. Number 5. ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit. This is the ultimate starter kit for beginners. It includes everything you need to get started with your projects. It's a great way to learn and explore. The kit comes with over 200 high-quality components. You can be assured that it will last for a long time. It's designed for durability and reliability. The kit includes a CD with PDF tutorials. There are more than 35 lessons to guide you. It makes learning easy and fun. It features an LCD 1602 module and a GY521 sensor module. They come with pin headers, so you don't need to solder them. It saves your time and effort. The kit comes in a nice package with a clear listing of all components. It also includes a small box to keep the widgets. It is convenient to use and store. We always care about customer experience. We are constantly improving the product. We aim to provide the best user experience. What we like. This kit is a fantastic starting point for anyone new to the world of electronics and programming. It provides everything you need to get started, from the components to the tutorials. If you're looking to dive into the Arduino ecosystem and learn the basics with a well-supported kit, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with a Mega 2560 board and a huge variety of components like sensors, motors, LEDs, and more. The step-by-step guides are clear and easy to follow, which is really helpful for beginners. The kit already contains a lot of what I will need to build my project someday: Arduino and power supply, LCD display, motors, motor controllers, buttons, LEDs and other electronic bits, remote controller and sensor. Number 4. Kano Computer Kit, Build Your Own Computer. This is the Kano Computer Kit. It allows anyone to build their own computer. The kit comes with everything you need, including a step-by-step book and all the necessary components. Inside, you'll find a Raspberry Pi 3, programmable LED lights, and a DIY case. It's designed to be easy to assemble, even if you have no prior technical knowledge. With over 100 coding challenges and apps, you can learn to code creatively. You can make art, games, and music, and even hack Minecraft. It plugs into any HDMI screen, allowing you to browse the internet, watch YouTube, and write stories. There are endless possibilities for play and creation. Join the Kano community and be inspired by over 700,000 creations. You can open any creation and modify the code to make it your own. It's trusted by thousands of schools and code clubs and is suitable for ages 6+. The Kano Computer Kit has won several awards, including the Family Choice Award, Webby Award, and Red Dot Award. It comes with lifetime care and a 1-year warranty. What we like. This kit is designed for anyone, regardless of technical skill. It provides a fun and engaging way to learn coding and build a computer. If you are looking for a creative and educational experience for kids or beginners, this is the perfect option. What people say. Setup is easy and the coding activities are good for young kids that don't yet have a lot of math. The kit was easy to put together and the booklet explains what the elements do. It does teach old-school programming. Number 3. ELECROW Raspberry Pi 5 8GB Kit with 9-inch display. This kit includes the powerful Raspberry Pi 5 with 8GB of RAM. It's designed to make learning and experimenting with the Raspberry Pi easy and fun. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced users alike. The kit features the Cropy Advanced version, which includes a sleek black case. This case houses a vibrant 9-inch HD touchscreen and a camera, making it easy to interact with projects. The Crow Pi is packed with all the essential components for DIY electronics. It includes an LCD, LED matrix, buzzer, and various sensors. This eliminates the need for messy wiring and allows you to focus on learning. The kit comes with 19 different sensors, all neatly integrated. You can start experimenting right away without the hassle of connecting individual components. This makes it perfect for programming and exploring different projects. The kit is built with a solid ABS shell and high-quality components. This makes it durable and easy to transport. You can take it with you and work on projects wherever you go. The kit includes step-by-step instructions and 21 lessons. These lessons guide you through identifying components, understanding code, and running it in a terminal. It's a comprehensive learning experience. What we like. This kit is a powerful learning tool with a built-in display and a wide array of sensors. It simplifies the process of experimenting with electronics and programming. If you're interested in exploring the capabilities of the Raspberry Pi 5 and diving into hands-on projects, this kit offers a convenient and comprehensive solution. What people say. The package comes with a nice assortment of accessories which will prove useful as I work my way through the PDF training modules which I have already downloaded from the ELECROW website. That little 7-inch display is bright and clear, no issues with reading text or recognizing objects. I really like the integrated aspect of this kit, so many devices mounted and internally wired so that you don't have to spend time making connections. Number 2. Intel NUC 9 Pro Kit. This is the Intel NUC 9 Pro Kit, ready for your customization. You can choose your own OS, memory, and storage to fit your needs. It's a powerful and versatile solution. It's the smallest workstation that supports a dual-slot PCIe X16 graphics card. It can handle cards up to 8 inches long, with 500 watts of onboard power. This allows for impressive graphics capabilities in a compact design. The Intel vPro platform provides remote management capabilities. It also offers enhanced security features. This ensures stability and protection for your data. It features 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports, an HDMI 2.0A port, and 4 USB 3.1 ports. There are also 2 Intel Gigabit LAN ports and an SDXC card slot. This provides a wide range of connectivity options. With its powerful features and compact size, it's designed to unleash your potential. It's a great choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This kit is designed for professionals who need a compact yet powerful workstation. It offers the flexibility to customize your system with high-end components. If you need a small form-factor PC that can handle demanding tasks, this is a great choice. It provides the performance and features you need in a compact package. What people say. The installation was simple. Dual Xeon NUC 9 with 64 GB DDR4 ECC each and 2, 1 TB NVMe in RAID 1 each. Power draw is under 200 watts at full load. Super fast, perfect for a network-based workstation. Number 1. OSOYOO IoT Smart Home Kit for Arduino Mega 2560. This kit is perfect for anyone wanting to learn about programmable electronics and IoT robotics. It's designed for both beginners and professionals, offering a fun and engaging way to learn. With this kit, you can build a smart home and control it from anywhere. The kit includes a 19-lesson tutorial that guides you from simple programs to complex smart home systems. You'll learn to build projects like an RFID door switch, motion detection, and ultrasonic distance detection. It's a hands-on experience that makes learning fun. The Internet of Things lets you connect devices to the Internet and control them remotely. This kit allows you to control your home and devices from your web browser or smartphone. With a little practice, you'll be an expert in no time. This DIY kit includes everything you need to build your IoT home. It comes with a wooden house model, the OSOYOO Mega 2560 board, and various sensors and modules. It's a complete package for early learners interested in STEM. The kit is suitable for all skill levels, whether you're a beginner or a pro. The Mega IoT extension board supports easy connections, making it simple to learn about the Internet of Things. The guide will walk you through setting up various features, right in your web browser. This kit is perfect for use in the classroom, summer camps, or science clubs. It's a great tool for hands-on learning and is ideal for anything related to STEM education. It's a fun and engaging way to learn about technology. What we like. This kit is all about building your own smart home and learning about the Internet of Things. It provides a hands-on experience with various sensors and modules. If you're interested in exploring the world of IoT and creating your own connected devices, this kit offers a fun and educational way to get started. What people say. The kit includes all the necessary components. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. The build process is straightforward. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.